She looks as if she's going to burst into tears any minute now. With no time left, Amby sweats and thinks.
It's time to tell them. Listen, Tank. There are frogs in your water tank. What should we do? Frogs? The ribbit frogs? There are frogs in there. I sneaked them in your tank.
Neither Tank nor Pump, who's next to him, understands what she's saying.
In my tank? But why? Why would you do that? No time to explain now. We need to rescue the frog family first. The frog family?
Pump asks.
Yes, we need to rescue the frog family from the tank before putting the fire out.
Amby exclaims. They finally arrive at the burning building. Pump rushes to follow Ray to the bakery. In a flash, he connects himself to a hydrant. Lad and Boomer extend their long arms to the rooftop, while Amby opens her hatch wide for the injured. But she cannot but help think of Tank. Tank comes to a stop in front of a fountain. He takes several deep breaths, but he still gets nervous.
I have frogs in me!
He can't believe it. Tank tries to stay calm while aiming his hose towards the fountain. A strong stream of water shoots up in the sky, and a great number of frogs soar to the sky. Shouts are heard from everywhere. Cars nearby honk their horns. Honk, honk. Ray and the rest of the fire crew, busy putting the fire out, turn to look at what's happening. Amby, who has closed her eyes, opens them slowly. So many baby frogs are flying like little streams of fountain water. Tank's water joins the spray of the fountain to make a colorful rainbow. The baby frogs land on the rainbow to happily ride on the red, blue, and yellow rays. Tank jumps for joy and starts his sirens and dances a happy dance. Pump, who's been shooting water to the rooftop, joins Tank and shares the joy, wailing his sirens also. Amby is so happy. There they are, the little froggies, safe and sound. The baby frogs are so tiny, cute, and just marvelous. Amby is so happy that she cannot erase the smile off her face. Then she hears Papa Frog's voice.
Thanks to you, there are now 300 babies. You guys are the best rescuers. We will never forget you.
The firefighting crew is now back in the training room after a job well done.
Amby, Tank, and Pump,
Ray says,
you three didn't do your job properly today. Even though you knew that Pump's water alone wasn't enough to put out the fire, you took a very dangerous risk. You deserve a severe punishment. However,
Ray continues,
since you saved as many as 300 baby frogs, I'll make an exception this time. Amby, Tank, and Pump, who even did Tank's share, great job! Hooray!
The fire crew, all happy, wailed their sirens. Ray gives them big, solid hugs. It's a night with stars twinkling more brightly than ever. All the trucks are out on a call in their own dreamland. By now, they are probably meeting the little baby frogs who were flying on the rainbow this afternoon. Nighty-night, Ray's fire station. the crew for more adventures in the next Ray's Fire Station story.